Can I use the drill press?
That's it. This is
Yes.
Mr. Z. Is this correct?
Thank you. Sound on this safety test. Are these some Gucci glasses? Alright, well, Brandon Lovely gets my name and shades in the game. This blade is as dangerous as Sharkeisha. Let me close it. A weave back.
Brandon, what happened?
The Sharkeisha blade cut me on my leg, but it's alright because I got the Gucci glasses.
Hey, sir, I advise you not to do that.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Go ahead, touch it. Go ahead, cut yourself. I dare you.
Get out of my way. Oh my god, I just broke it. What do I do? Turn it off or keep it on?
Well, if you took the safety test, you should know.
Yo, what is that clamp used for?
Working out.
That's why you can't even do it.
I gotta turn this off to clean it. But D left some of his dandruff behind.
He's really good at cleaning because he works at 7-Eleven.
Don't forget to do it like he didn't forget to be gay. I mean, happy.